White Christmas, an oldie classic Christmas tune, beautiful melody, lovely chord progression. It's warm and cozy, exactly what we need at this time of year. I do a finger picking version of this to sing along to. I've done this today in the key of A. It means that the chords that we're using are all open chords. It gives them a little bit of resonance when we're finger picking. It also makes it more accessible if you are more of a beginner guitarist. There are 7 chords in this song. We'll be using A. We'll be using a B minor. I'll be using this one. It keeps it nice open to resonate in finger picking. If you want to use the bar chord, feel free. This B minor here is technically a B minor 7. We'll be using an E7, a D, an A7, a D minor, and an E. Now the picking pattern we use today will be the same on every single chord. The order of thumb and fingers will be the same throughout the chord progression. The strings we apply those fingers and thumb to will change depending on the chord. I'll show you this on the A chord first. The thumb plays the A string. The first finger plays the D string. The middle finger plays the G string. The first finger plays the D string again. The third finger or ring finger plays the B string. The middle finger plays the G string. The first finger plays the D string, and the middle finger plays the G string. In one go. That means we're playing 4 strings of each chord. The song's in 4/4, so in order to get your bearings and make sure you're picking the right number of strings, we'll count it through like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can just begin by practicing that one chord until you get used to the picking motion. I'll take you through the chord progression now, nice and slowly. We'll start with the A chord. We play that twice. We move to the B minor. Our picking hand stays on the same 4 middle strings. Play that once. We move to E7. The 3 fingers on the picking hand stay on the B, G and D, but the thumb moves up to the E string. We play that once. We jump down to the D chord, so our thumb and our 3 fingers move so that they're all adjacent to each other on the D, G, B and E string. We jump back up to E7, playing the same strings as previous. And then back to the A chord as it was originally. Play A again. Moving on to the next line, we play the A chord one more time. Then we change it to an A7, keeping the same fingers on the picking hand. We move down to a D, the fingers as they were originally on the D. D minor, picking hand stays the same. A slow playthrough, I'll hum the melody so you know where we are. carry on, A chord, D, B minor, E, carry on, A, B minor, E7, D, E7, A, A7, D, B minor, A, A. The song from here repeats the chord sequence and the lyrics. In the original version with Bing Crosby and the orchestra, there's an instrumental section which extends the time. If you're singing along with this and this key doesn't work with your voice so well, maybe it's too high, maybe it's too low, you can always use a capo to find the place that's going to be the optimum position for your voice. Head over here to learn Silent Night, where I show you how to play the simple melody and a strumming pattern to build your festive repertoire. See you next time.